Amber Heard's
everyone's
case.
favorite story.
Everyone. This video always does well for us. I wonder why.
I was not going to talk about this story. I was not going to talk about it. I was going to do like separate videos because I don't know. I feel like we were oversaturating things, and I was going to wait for the verdict until Mommy Camille stepped up.
Bro, another mommy?
That's Mommy Camille. Let me tell you something, Sam. I swear to God, I was driving, and this girl was asking questions to Amber. And I felt like I was being asked questions. I was like, I didn't donate to the LCLU. I was like, I'm innocent. I'm like, oh, wait, it's not me. Because I'm going to show you something that I picked up. It's 12-second clip.
Mm-hmm.
Any man has seen this. And if you're a Hispanic man, you have seen this. This hot tamale. I'm going to show you this. Let me know what you see, bro. I want you to pay attention to this, right? This is sexy Mommy Camille, first day. I want you to pay attention to her face. Okay, pay attention to her face. It's a nice 12-second clip.
Preposterous. And a man you beat up numerous times. Right, Miss Heard? I could never hurt Johnny.
So you guys didn't miss it. Sam, you have been with Hispanic girls. You have a Hispanic girlfriend.
Yes.
If I was in Texas, right, and let's just say that we disappear on a Friday and you came back and your girl was waiting for you. If your girl gives you this look, where were you, Sam?
Yeah.
Do you think she knows where were you?
Yeah.
Or listen, Hispanic women, they just want the confession. She has the evidence.
She has the answer already.
Where were you? Where were you? I was with Jose. Oh, with Jose. That face, bro. When I was watching that, I was like, damn, I started getting scared. I was
bro, let me tell you, I don't do this anymore. But there's the Uno reverse card. You can play on that. There's an Uno reverse card. You know what you got to do?
What you got?
You got to do the exact same face back. And turn around. Take your ass back where you came from.
Yo, bro, I'm telling you, when she did this, so you're the abuser, right? It was like, damn, bro, she's putting that Hispanic hot tamale face.
I can never hurt Johnny. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into more serious
stuff.
All right.
I'm just going to show basically the very end of her cross-examination just to kind of make it nice and concise. This is basically the two Moab bombs that she dropped, the hot tamale sexy Mommy Camille.
Ms. Heard, did you send a text message to Jerry Judge on May 24, 2000?
Okay, quick background. This is her disposition. So they're basically impeaching her.
In 2016. Okay.
Yeah.
16. Telling Jerry Judge, quote, I'm desperately trying to reach Johnny. It's extremely important. Please tell him.
I remember sending the text message that is in front of me right now to Jerry. And I remember sending this because I wanted to tell Johnny or have him told by Jerry or someone who knew him or was close to him. Basically, I didn't want him to find out online. I had or was about to file, or I had already filed for divorce. I wanted him to know verbally. So I was trying to reach him through a third party to tell him. When I say reach, I'm specifically saying I would like him to know information coming from me, coming from Jerry, from me, so that he finds out about the divorce filing or my intention to do so from some other source other than TMZ, which was alerted.
Saw that. I'm gonna give a quick explanation to why she did that. During the case, she's basically saying that she was trying to protect Johnny, that she didn't want bad press on him. When she went to court for it's like a restraining order on him, she brought her publicist. And her publicist or someone gave a video to TMZ about the whole situation. That's what she got a bunch of like paparazzi just annoying the hell out of her. That's they took pictures of her face because she went to court without makeup because she knew it was going to happen. TMZ has the video. And the way we know is because lawyers have been playing the video. That damn it, I wish I remember what video was it, but they were playing a video, and some of the lawyers in YouTube, they're getting copyright strikes by TMC. So it's TMC who has the rights to the video. So either she sold it or something, but either way, you know what? She went like this, like, oh, I should have not said that. Because this proof that it was all a publicity stunt. And she got caught red-handed. You want to continue? Anything to say?
Continue.
And then the last bomb. Let me see if I can pass over a little bit.
Oh, stop there, you misheard. You let it slip out that TMZ had been alerted to your filing of the domestic violence restraining order.
I've never seen that.
I disagree. That's not what I'm talking about. TMZ is the same outlet that you released the video of Mr. Depp attacking the kitchen cabinets the day before his deposition.
Oh my gosh, it's all happening
wasn't it?
right now.
I didn't do that. I don't know
TMZ
how to
owns
do
the
that.
copyright to that video now, doesn't it?
I have no idea.
They do.
TMZ
Did they
owns.
pay you for that?
I never got paid for it because I had nothing to do with that.
So TMZ was just lucky getting the inside scoop to your divorce from
Wow.
Mr. Depp, huh?
I have no idea. It is not, that's not my area of expertise. I wouldn't even know how to do that. And also, what does that get me? If I wanted to leak things about Johnny, I could have done that in a much more successful way, in a bigger way, for years.
Not
and
when you
years.
were extorting him for $7 million.
I got a fraction of what I was entitled to in the state of California, by the way. What extortion?
Tassa Van
Oh
Reed,
my
your ex-wife, right?
gosh. Oh, here we go. The ex-wife. There's the
She's the one
domestic
that
violence.
that you told this jury Mr. Depp was jealous of, right?
Okay.
Yeah, well, that was a,
Right. So just for you guys who are watching, I think previously in another video, we talked about how she opened the door to her ex-wife and what she did
To her ex-wife or to his ex-wife?
Well, here, I think it was another.
Well, I know she opened up for both. I'm pretty sure she suggested that she never was an abusive person, even to her
Okay, I think
ex.
I think
And I
that's-
also believe, didn't she mention Kate Moss? Like, isn't that his ex?
Kate Moss is Johnny's ex.
Yes,
I think also her expert witness opened the door because on her testimony, she basically said that there was no previous case of violence to another partner. So I think her attorney opened the door for them to do this.
2013 fights around March, yes,
You testified that he tried to burn one of her paintings, right?
that's correct.
You testified he tried to burn one of your favorite paintings that she did, right?
I don't know if it was one of my favorites.
You committed domestic violence against Miss Van Reed during your relationship, didn't you?
No, I did not.
You assaulted her
Open
at a
the door.
Seattle airport in 2009, didn't you?
No, I did not.
Yeah, that's all she
And
can
people
do.
saw that,
That's not true.
and it was covered in the press. Isn't that true?
It was planted in the press by Johnny's team 2 days after I got the TRO. Not
Can you
coincidentally.
please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 127? This is an article from 2 years ago.
That's not when it came out, no. This story started getting planted in after I got a TRO, after I got a restraining order against Johnny.
The headline says Amber Heard
Objection,
allegedly
Your Honor.
struck.
Objection, Your Honor.
Yo, her lawyer was panicking, bro. If you could see, she was. I'll show you a video real quick.
You're approaching.
They're approaching
Amber
again.
Heard allegedly grabbed.
And that's not true.
She planted the TMZ
Title
stuff.
reads Amber Heard allegedly grabbed, struck her ex-girlfriend at the airport, doesn't it?
Yes, and that's not true.
Amber Heard allegedly struck her ex-girlfriend Tassa Van Reed at the airport in 2009. Did I read that right?
Yes, this is another example of the smear campaign.
So Mr. Depp is not the only domestic partner you've assaulted, is he, Ms. Heard?
I've never assaulted Mr. Depp or anyone else that I've been romantically linked to, ever.
No further questions, Your Honor.
And then that's over. And she gets her there because now we have video evidence, we have audio evidence of her assaulting Johnny, of admitting to assaulting Johnny, and we also have basically what is it? We have an article of her.
That's not the case though, and this is. I'm gonna keep hammering this point home. That's not what this case is about.
That's the
It's-
lawyer's fault. I know. But that's the
Yes.
problem with the lawyers. Her
Yes.
lawyers
No.
fucked up.
Okay, I understand that. They are. Here's where Johnny's lawyers have been amazing, right? They have proved beyond a doubt in my head, at least, that Amber was abusive. I would say she enabled Johnny's drug addictions, and she was manipulative. But she's not on trial for being on any of those three.
Mhm.
Johnny has to prove that he never abused her. That's where I think his lawyers are kind of dropping the ball a little
No, they're not. Let me tell you why. The reason that is because they are wanting her cross-examination. Camille exposed her lies, impeached the hell out of her. So she's not a credible person. She impeached the pictures showing that
bit. You mean perjured? Like she proved that she was perjuring herself.
No, it did. She impeached her. Isn't that impeaching when you cut people on lies and stuff like that? I mean, that's the words that lawyers use. They use impeaching.
Impeached?
Yeah, that's the words they're using.
Okay.
Unless I'm using it wrong. By the way, she showed that the pictures could have been altered, meaning edited. She put the pictures side by side. She showed how the pictures could have been. There was a picture on the table with like cocaine and drugs. She showed how it was kind of neatly all wrapped perfectly. They have already proved the damages. They're trying to discredit her word and basically tell the jury she's not credible. She fakes her evidence, and on top of that, she has nothing that shows that Johnny was abusive in any way. Even the pictures, even when Johnny was at his worst, when he was slapping cabinets, he still didn't hit her. And she also brought up the point that you are not afraid of him. She showed audio evidence of her just basically Johnny running away from her, and she just knocking on doors, chasing him. And she said, "You're not afraid of this quote unquote monster. You're not afraid of the quote unquote monster. You take pictures of him when he's on the floor. You send pictures of him on the floor, passed out to your friends. You're not afraid. That's not someone you're afraid of. Where's this monster? Why are you afraid of this monster?" Right? So you have all this time to take pictures of him when he's passed out, but how about when you got injured? How about when you got raped? Where are this evidence?
No pictures then.
Nothing. She's discrediting her. You can't take her seriously. There's a lawyer called Law and Lumber. There was three of them. They went to the courthouse in Virginia. It was three of them. And they were paying attention at the jury. I have a video of it in case you want to. It's kind of longer, but essentially, they're not buying her story. They're not paying attention to her anymore. They're paying attention to Camille. And that is really good. So that's why I think they discredit her. Right? Yeah. Because she has nothing.
Man, I mean, I hope, I mean, I love Johnny, man. I hope Johnny gets everything that he deserves. And I hope the best happens for Johnny. I can't wait for the next day. I want to pay more attention to it. I'm gonna look up a couple of videos today, get myself more hammered into it, because I know some more extra stuff is gonna happen tomorrow. So
here, I'm gonna show you this last video. This is Amber's lawyer when she's supposed to be redirecting Amber after her cross-examination by Camille. Camille, that woman, I don't want to argue with that woman because let me blow. This is supposed to be an experienced lawyer, and look at her.
Do you recall?
Thank you, JP.
I'm trying.
She's trying.
She's trying. She can't get a word in because Camille keeps being objection, hearsay, objection, no foundation, objection. She can't get a word in.
She can't even think.
Look at her.
$6 million.
The medical records reflect about your nose.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
Sustain the objection.
Sustained. The redirection is over. Camille ended it today, just like that. There are other witnesses who are just boring the hell out of the crowd.
Yeah.
Camille went in. Man.
So this is the last day of cross-examination
for Amber. Yeah, she's done. Redirection all over is over. Camille just closed the door on her.
Okay. So we won't hear any more from Amber at all.
No, we're gonna hear from witnesses now.
Do you know what witnesses? Do you know what witnesses up next?
Basically, there was three of them so far, but it was basically like friends of her. I don't know.
So an estimation, how much longer?
You're supposed to end it this Friday.
This Friday?
No, it's not this Friday. It's next Friday. Well, actually, probably next Thursday, because they usually end on Thursdays.
Oh yeah, before Memorial Day. Right?
Before Memorial Day. And the judge is on it, so she wanted to end by Memorial Day, and she's timing them. And they're already. Johnny's team has hours on them.
Well, while my co-host is away, this has been Lidat. We are at 70 subs. Goal is to reach 90 subs by the end of August. We love you. We care for you. Peace out. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.